Welcome to Tech Collective. We bring to you the 10 affordable modern prefab modular cabin homes. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. Number 10 is Madi Flatpack Modular A-Frame. Madi, M-A-D-I, is a high-end modular living environment. Create and own modular modules that combine to create a high-end living area. Madi provides secure and comfortable places that can adapt to your changing requirements by growing, moving, or changing. You may expect a structure that is both comfortable and inexpensive, as well as one that is inventive enough to adapt to your budget or vision. Installation is quick and easy. Will only require 8 to 15 days of on-site work before delivering your turnkey Madi house, ready to live in. Madi offers you a house that consumes the least amount of energy possible. Madi gives you the option of owning an inexpensive home in whatever location you desire, a major metropolis or a rural region, the mountains or a coastal hamlet. Madi fits nicely in every setting. Based on your specific demands and budgetary constraints, you may add your personal touches by selecting your desired size and materials. The Madi system provides a variety of building choices based on a variety of modules and materials. Thanks to the availability of modules of varying sizes and the possibility to add them laterally, you have an infinite amount of creative choices. You may also save time and money thanks to its highly standardized production process and dry assembly structure. Number 9 is Lake Flato by Miller. Lake Flato is known for developing homes that are in tune with the natural beauty of each location, react to the climate, and link residents to the natural world. Lake Flato Porch House is a home project that combines efficiency, smart design, and creative construction. Through a method that combines the simplicity of pre-designed traditional architectural forms with bespoke porches and covered connections, time, energy, and resources are saved. The result is an integrated project that responds to your specific site's natural topography, vistas, and climate, encouraging strong ties with the environment. Porch House allows its residents to be partners with the environment in a house formed by the climate and site, where the landscape and rooms are cohesive, thanks to its unique flexible design and building method. The Porch House, like many of our firm's other well-known designs, is inspired by the simplicity of the vernacular architecture and draws on what Lake Flato has learned over the years about excellent design, quality, sustainability, and practicality. The factory-built rooms are strategically placed on the property to take advantage of vistas, breezes, solar orientation, and outdoor areas. The connecting tissue that ties the rooms together while enabling the overall design to respond to the site's specific characteristics, the weather, and the client's program is the custom-designed site-constructed porch components, such as breezeways, porches, overhangs, and carports. The duration between design approval and move-in is expected to be 6 to 9 months. A porch house consumes far less energy than a typical home and, with the addition of solar panels, may be built to have net zero energy usage. The cost of a rigid structure is now estimated to be between $150 to $225 per square foot. Number 8 is the Backcountry Hut System 2. The System 2 kit was created with the assistance of a skilled contractor. The typical 3-module shell system may be assembled in about 2 weeks by a team of skilled workers. However, the addition of additional modules or modifications may lengthen the assembling process. The system is built on a 2-story, 18.5-foot by 10-foot or 185 square foot module, which may be joined to produce various versatile alternatives. To see some of our most popular setups, download the catalog. The initial backcountry hut idea, System 2, was influenced by traditional mountain cabins. The system includes a big 2-story cabin with customizable floor plans to suit larger parties or families. The most flexible kit is System 2, which includes choices for master bedrooms with en-suite baths. It delivers a degree of robust durability that will stand the test of time in the harshest environments. Number 7 is Dubldom from Kashtan, 77 at $139,000. Dubldom is a place for open-minded individuals who like contemplating and being inspired, who enjoy sharing warmth and comfort, and who take care of themselves as well as the environment. In 2013, Russian architect Ivan Ochegnikov designed and founded Dubldom, a modular frame house design form. Ivan's goal was to produce an architectural design that was both cheap and scalable. Over the last 6 years, Ivan's vision of Dubldom has been realized both inside and outside Russia, with over 600 residences manufactured and installed. Dubldom is continuously growing, launching new models and accessories, and creating structures that offer a complete spectrum of building, maintenance, and upgrade services. We've spent the last 5 years developing technology that allows us to build houses in 6 to 7 days and install them in 5 days. The house will be ready to move into in 12 to 15 days. Dubldom saves natural resources and your money thanks to technology. Number 6 is Trillium Node. Several units in the Node Trillium series range in size from 450 to 800 square feet. There are several layout possibilities ranging from a studio to 2 bedrooms with 1 to 2 bathrooms. In addition, there are several different configurations to select from. The Trillium series is a versatile accessory dwelling unit, an ADU, that may also be used as a small house or lodge. Foundations, building, shipping, and installation are all included in the price of Node's Trillium line of modular houses. There are 4 distinct amounts of space available, all of which are larger than typical in the modular house market. The 1,000 square foot size allows customers to select between a 2 and 3 bedroom layout, depending on their preferences. In addition, the Node Trillium series offers 4 distinct floor plan choices, ranging in size from 400 to 1,000 square feet, with the value cost decreasing as the number of rooms rises. Number 5 is a Klein A45. The Klein A45 is a versatile office area for writing and singing, or just the perfect retreat for a natural respite from everyday life. It can comfortably accommodate a small family on vacation or visitors, and whether you live in the forest, the mountains, near the beach, or the city, your Klein A45 tiny home may be enjoyed all year. Klein A45 is based on the notion that sustainable, small space living is possible with widely accessible materials. Therefore, Klein A45 is made largely of approved materials and zero-waste manufacturing whenever and wherever feasible, as well as in individual parts to fit as little as possible while shipping. The Klein A45 is meant to connect to your local utility grid, but it may also be used for off-grid installations if that's what you want. Number 4 is Madi Homes, the M60. Madi A-frame solution is the M60 model. It's foldable, modular, and extremely energy efficient. M60 is an environmentally friendly, creative, and high-quality solution that guarantees fast construction times and predictable prices. Madi is a revolutionary modular home that employs classic building processes and common materials to rapidly and efficiently offer an inexpensive, high-quality living area. Number 3 is the Q Cabin Kit, the Mountaineer. The Q Cabin Kits are available in 6 different sizes, ranging from 120 to 1,400 square feet. Each type may be customized in terms of width and layout to meet the demands of each location or homeowner. Our largest basic product is the Mountaineer Q Cabin Kit. The area measures 20 feet by 50 feet with a ceiling height of 19 feet. A 400 square foot loft space is included in the Mountaineer standard configuration. The basic model Mountaineer's 1,400 square feet may easily be converted into a roomy 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage with an extra loft area for an office, playroom, or additional sleeping space. With the addition of 2 complete arches, this model may be expanded to a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home. Number 2 is Wheelhouse from Wedge. This Wedge model was encased in barnwood, which was the most attractive and unusual choice. The farmwood adds so much character and quality to this little home, making it stand out amongst its peers. Imagine a rustic vibe combined with the newness and perfection of a Wheelhouse compact house. It's stunning. When I first walked inside the building, I was taken aback by how big, bright, and welcoming the space was. Is it possible that the huge sliding door is to blame? Or how about the towering ceilings with soaring oak beams? I wasn't sure, but there was plenty of room to breathe. A slanted half-A frame like this one can appear to be drafty. This Wedge was a little different from the other models we saw in the main area. Unlike the caboose model we saw, the kitchen countertop was poured concrete, giving the space a distinct and substantial sense. It was going to be able to resist everything you threw at it. The mantle was supported by the same barnwood used to accent the outside and had a beautiful, almost cherry-like stain. To the right of the kitchen was an extra wooden cabinet or pantry. Number 1 is Avrame A-frame cabin, $62,000 to $110,000. Avrames can be constructed in any location and on any foundation, old or modern. They're ideal for off-grid applications due to their roof angle, which is ideal for solar panel installation. Avrame is more than just a collection of A-frame homes. Avrame blends the advantages of a traditional A-frame design with contemporary construction materials. A-frames are long-lasting and simple to construct. Trio structures are made out of a 9x9 by 9 meter or 29 by 29 by 29 foot equilateral A-frame trusses. You may easily change the floor plan layouts to meet your family's demands because there are no load-bearing interior walls. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part do you like the most, or click on the thumbs up button if you like the video.